We have a hilarious type customer. He mixed. Now we are washing the full face. The face is so dirty that no one knows who is he or who is she. But we will recover his or her recognition. Now we are coloring the hairs. Now we're removing the extra hairs. That customer was out of our reach for so many days, therefore he was extremely changed. Now we are covering the the tooth. Wow, eyes color was so irritating. So we are applying eye lenses. Yes. Now we are applying the mask. Yes. Now we are applying lipstick. We are making a shape. Customer has a unique and astonishing demands. Yes.